All right, so I think this is recording. They want us to simplify this product. We have the square root of negative 10 times the square root of negative 15. Now, in the past, whenever we had multiplication and two radicals, we would write them underneath the same radical. But here we can't do that because they don't allow us to apply that property if our radicands are negative. So what we have to do is take care of these negative signs first, and we do that by recognizing that that's going to introduce the imaginary unit into our answer. That the square root of negative 10 is the same thing as I times the square root of 10. Then that's being multiplied by the square root of negative 15, but because that negative sign, we know that's I times the square root of 15. And multiplication, we can do this in any order. So we can take these i's and multiply them together, and take these radicals and multiply them together. So I times I is more commonly written as I squared. And this, the square root of 10 times the square root of 15 is the square root of 150. So we need to come over and break down 150. So even though I know it's 10 times 15, I also know that 150 is 25 times 6. And I know that because of my old days of a paper route, that 6 quarters are $1.50. So I know that 6 times 25 is 150. Now I know that 25 is 5 times 5. So that means that I can rewrite 150 as 5 times 5 times 6. And when I take the square root of 150, it's like taking the square root of this product. And because these are all positive, I can break them apart into more than one radical. And I have the square root of 5 times 5 times the square root of 6. Well, I know what the square root of 25 is. It's 5. The square root of 25 is 5 because we have a pair of 5s. Now 6 only breaks down to 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 are each single factors. So we can't simplify the square root of 6. So when we come over here, we know that I squared is negative 1, and that the square root of 150 is 5 times the square root of 6. So our final answer, a negative 1 times a positive 5 is a negative 5 times the square root of 6. So that's our answer. Ask any questions as needed. I hope that helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.